going on, everyone? I am at Adonis. It's a Middle Eastern grocery store. If you've never been to it, you guys are missing out. I got the shawarma wrap. Actually, I got it mixed. You guys know what it is because like at Amir, it's the wrap. It has the beef. I asked for beef and chicken, so came up. I got that. Okay, I've never tried it here before, and I've got 3 of these. It's like little pastries, kind of. You'll see more. I'll put the camera. So I got 1, 2, 3 of those, all different, and then I got the wrap, and it came up to $8.99. All right, it's 10:42. Hell yeah! Who wants bacon and eggs when you can eat this? Oh, the smell. Shit, this feels like way heavier than the one that you get at Amir and Boot Stand. Not way heavier, but heavier. Ask for garlic sauce or hot peppers. Oh my god. Okay, before this, I just did the food review on that kimchi, what's the other stuff called? Seaweed thing with the sticky rice, with that melon drink. Oh, I don't have anything to drink here. I have like leftover coffee from this morning, but oh well, let's go. Oh my god, guys. Put the fat in there. Initial thoughts: very good, bursting with flavor. Beef is nice and tender and stuff because they just got it ready for like the day. I don't want it to fall out. Got the nice garlic sauce, the chicken, the beef. Oh my god. Gotta take another bite to analyze compared to Amir. Oh my gosh. Actually, use this thing as a plate. Hang on. Yeah, I could show you guys what I have in here. Alright, so what is this? This phone stand is really helping me. So this is what the stuff is. So one of them have cheese. One is cheese and spinach. And one is meat, or I forget, it was like cheese and spinach in one, meat in the other. I asked for a kebab falafel, but the guy forgot to put it in, whatever. Like 3 of these were $2.75, which is a good deal. Good deal. I don't even know prices. This seems like a good deal to me. Alright. Nice flavor. The garlic sauce tastes a little different than the Amir one. The bursting flavored beef, you could see like the seasonings kind of. Oh, the seasonings. Yeah, there's chicken in here. At the beginning, I didn't really see the chicken as much, but I'm starting to see the chicken here now. It's nice, like burst of flavor. Because at Amir, I never asked them to mix the meats, but here I asked them to mix the meats. Yeah, the garlic sauce tastes a little different. I like the taste. It's a different flavor. Oh. Nice little background music. That's not edited in. That's like the. Yeah. So what I noticed a little bit is that stuck in my teeth here. I noticed that too. The beef has a lot of the nice seasonings, and I find it has more. The seasonings make it taste so good, and I find that the seasonings like there's more seasoning than the one at Amir. Amir is more, there's less seasoning, and I'm liking this one. I'm liking this one, guys. And it feels bigger. Like it feels. I could be completely off, but to me it feels a little bigger. Let's get into the other stuff now, shall we? Kind of leaking from the bottom, or not leaking, but it's wet. You know, it's what it is. All right, so now we're gonna test out this one. I forget what flavor this is. Maybe it was a chicken one. There was a meat and spinach one, but let's go. Couple it up. Come on. Focus. Here we go. Oh, that was good. That was like the spinach and cheese one. It's got like a nice like salty taste. Some nice seasonings in there with the cheese and the spinach. Oh, this is, I would say for $8 or $9, this is amazing value, guys. Oh my god. Oh. And these I picked. Like there's a bunch of other ones I could have got. I just picked the ones, read the things. There we go. Some guy's watching me in the car. Well, he's maybe just parked there. He's enjoying the review too. He's outside. There's a window in front of me. Oh, let's get back to this. Oh, now you can see the chicken kind of, guys. See? Chicken's like there. I got a bag of napkin. Okay. Oh man, you guys definitely have to try this. If you guys like Amir and Bustan and stuff, this is definitely a spot that you need to come try. Oh my god, it's down the road from Concordia. Holy crap! The pickled turnips, I think that's what it's called, right? The purple thing, the pink things. Really, really good. Different taste than Amir, kind of. I don't know if they have something different they do. Now you get the chicken. Yeah, you can see the seasoning. Let's try to zoom in on that. See the different seasonings you kind of see. Oh. Some of the sauce is leaking out. So all in all today, guys, like that Asian thing I just ate, the drink and the whatever, you guys saw. With that and this, that was $5. This is like $9, $14. I would definitely pay that for this. This is like, oh my god. Like that would be more, like you get so much value. What is going to take away from the two last places here. kind of falling apart at the bottom. It's getting messy down there at the bottom. All right, let's get started to unwrap. Oh shit. Let's try not to make this review too long. We're already at 10 minutes over here. Let's test the other thing. Let's try to wrap it up quick. I just saw the time. So this, I don't know what it is. Let's take a bite. It's spinach and feta, or spinach and cheese, or something. Can I focus on this? Do with the other finger. There we go. Spinach and feta or something. It's similar to the other one I just took a bite in. That means the other one must have been the meat. Very good. I actually like this one more than the other one that I just ate. The triangle one. Because this one isn't as, like, this one has, it's not as dry. Like, this one has more, like, moisture in it. You guys got what I'm saying. Oh, man. This thing's kind of unwrapping the wrap. So I gotta try to put this back together because I don't have a fork and knife. Shit. Oh my god. Whatever. I'll eat that messiness on my own time. I don't want you guys to see that. So now we got this that looks like a endive, or there's a word for something that looks like this. I forget. Okay, let's take a bite. Almost looks like a samosa. So if you guys ever get a kefta at Amir, it's kind of like that. So it's got the same kind of meat inside, probably maybe different seasonings, and it has pine nuts. Some of the keftas also have that, but instead of like the kefta dough, it's this type of dough that you guys saw. There's pine nuts and stuff. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Nice, like salty taste. All right. So yeah, definitely, I gotta try to eat this. It's like unwrapped and stuff. There's no forks. I don't know. I'm gonna pig out, guys. Not on camera. That's only sometimes. So, thank you guys for watching the review. Definitely check this place out if you've never been here before and you like Lebanese food and Middle Eastern food. Oh my gosh. Have a good day, guys. 14 minutes, so what? Have a good day. It's nice and snowy here. Get a bottle of rum from the SAQ for the walk home. Nah.